Hey everyone! You know what I love? A packed stadium full of excited fans, the roar of the crowd, the energy. But you know what could make it even better? Knowing that all that excitement is powered sustainably. Imagine your favorite team scoring the winning goal, and the lights, the scoreboards, everything, running on clean energy. That's what we're talking about today, folks. With Suzy Green Energy Systems, we're not just talking about a brighter future. We're building it, one stadium at a time. Now I know what you're thinking. Solar panels on a stadium? Sounds complicated, right? Well, hold on to your hats, people, because Suzy Green has got you covered. We're talking easy install, flexible solar films that can go on any surface. Yep, you heard me right. These babies are like solar superheroes. They're lightweight, durable, and they produce more energy than traditional panels. Plus, they can be installed practically anywhere. Talk about a game changer. Now let's talk about something we all need, especially at a big game. Water. And not just any water, clean, drinkable water. But what if your stadium struggles with hard water? Mineral buildup, inefficient heating, it's enough to make you reach for a sports drink instead. But don't despair, Suzy Green has the answer. Our solar water heating filtration system is specifically designed to tackle hard water challenges. It's like having a water softener and a super efficient water heater all in one. And the best part? It's all powered by the sun. Talk about a win-win. Chapter 3. Okay, picture this. You're driving to the big game in your shiny new electric car. You're feeling good, you're eco-conscious, and then bam, no charging stations. Don't let your fans down, people. With Suzy Green's revenue-driven EV charging infrastructure, you'll have more charging capacity than a fleet of electric buses. Our system is fast, reliable, and easy to use, so your visitors can charge up while they cheer on their favorite team. Plus, it's a great way to generate some extra revenue for your stadium. Who doesn't love a little extra cash? Chapter 4. Now, if you really want to take your stadium's energy game to the next level, you gotta go big or go home, right? And when I say big, I mean Suzy Green big. Our commercial solar panels are designed for maximum efficiency and power output. We're talking about taking your stadium off the grid, folks. Imagine a stadium completely powered by the sun. That's the future Suzy Green is building, and it's a bright one. Chapter 5. All right, last but not least, let's talk about parking. Nobody likes circling the lot looking for a spot, especially in the summer heat. But what if I told you that your parking lot could be an energy-generating machine? With Suzy Green's solar carport systems, you can transform those empty parking spaces into shaded oases while generating clean energy. That's right, folks. These carports provide shade for your visitors, reduce energy costs, and even create additional revenue opportunities. It's like turning your parking lot into a money-making, energy-saving, shade-providing superhero. So there you have it, folks. Suzy Green Energy Systems has everything you need to transform your stadium into a sustainable, energy-efficient, and fantastic experience. We're talking about saving money, saving the planet, and making your stadium the envy of the league. Ready to take your stadium to the next level? We're offering a free energy audit so you can see just how much you can save with Suzy Green. Plus, we're hosting a webinar with all the juicy details on how to make your stadium a green energy champion. Don't miss out. Click the link below and let's get started.